Hello! In this tutorial, I will show you how to share your screen on Google Meet. Okay. So, do you need to show a presentation, document, or your entire desktop during a Google Meet call? In the step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through how to share your screen seamlessly using Google Meet. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your browser and go to meet.google.com. Join a meeting using a meeting code or a meeting link or a calendar invite, or just go ahead and click on new meeting to start your own, which we're really going to do here. Once you enter the meeting room, you'll see a control bar at the bottom center of the screen. So I'm going to click on start an instant meeting, and that's going to walk me right in here, and that's saying join in. Okay. I'm going to continue with the microphone and camera so it doesn't interfere with the recording. So I'm here. So you must be in an active meeting to access screen recording features. So on the meeting toolbar at the bottom, go ahead and look for the rectangular icon with an arrow inside it. It is labeled present now. So this is present now. So go ahead and click on present now, and that takes you here. You'll see 3 sharing options pop up. So you get 3 main choices. Number 1, your entire screen, which shares everything on your desktop, ideal for switching between apps or windows. And you have window, which shares just one app window like PowerPoint or Excel or even OBS. Others won't see anything else you're doing. And you have a Chrome tab or a tab, which shares a specific Chrome tab, best for a video playback or smooth transitions, especially when sharing audio. So if you're sharing a video with sound, choose a tab that's Chrome tab and check the box labeled share tab. Select a tab to share and check this box that says, or toggle this on that says also share tab audio. After selecting one of the 3 options, I'm going to click here. So let's say I want to record OBS. So after selecting one of the 3 options, a pop-up window appear showing previews of available screens, windows, or tabs. So go ahead and click on the exit screen, app, or tab that you want to share. Like this is the window I want to share, and click on the share button. So you're now live. Look at it. Everyone in the meeting can see what you're sharing. This is it. So on your screen, once your screen is shared, you'll see that notification banner at the bottom that says you're now presenting to everyone, which showed. Okay, and you can also click to stop presenting anytime from this banner or from the toolbar at the top of the Meet window or at the bottom of the Meet window. And if you switch tabs or windows while sharing, make sure to stay aware of what the audience is seeing. To stop sharing, go ahead and click on stop presenting at the bottom or at the top. And that is it. You've stopped sharing. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. And that's how easy it is to share your screen during the Google Meet call. Whether it's a demo, a pitch, or a slideshow, you have now got the skills to present with confidence.